Hey everyone, welcome to this vibrant deep dive into the world of lemons, those zesty sunshine yellow fruits that are so much more than just a splash in your lemonade. I'm genuinely thrilled to share 10 incredible benefits of lemons that can revolutionize your health, transform your home, and lift your spirits to new heights. These little citrus powerhouses are bursting with nutrients, antioxidants, and practical uses that make them an absolute essential in every household. I've got a lemon sitting right here on my counter, and just its bright color and tangy scent make me feel energized and ready to tackle anything. Today we're going to explore how lemons can supercharge your immune system, enhance your digestion, make your skin glow, support your heart, boost your mood, and so much more. I'll sprinkle in some personal tips and experiences because, honestly, lemons have become my go-to for everything, from morning wellness rituals to clever household hacks. By the end of this, you'll be as obsessed with lemons as I am, so let's dive in and discover why this citrus gem deserves a starring role in your daily life. Grab a lemon if you've got one, and let's bring some zest to your routine. Benefit 1. Supercharges your immune system. Lemons are like your body's personal bodyguard, ready to fend off any germs that come your way. They're packed with vitamin C, about 30 to 40 milligrams per lemon, which is nearly half your daily requirement for this essential nutrient. Vitamin C is a total powerhouse, boosting the production of white blood cells that act as your immune system's frontline warriors against colds, flu, and other infections. But that's not all. Lemons also contain flavonoids, these incredible plant compounds that work like tiny superheroes, reducing inflammation and neutralizing free radicals, those harmful molecules that can damage cells and weaken your defenses. I've made it a daily ritual to start my morning with a glass of warm lemon water, and let me tell you, it's like giving my immune system a big, enthusiastic high five to start the day. The tangy, refreshing flavor wakes me up and makes me feel like I'm already winning at health. You can easily squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water or add a splash to your favorite herbal tea for a soothing, immune-boosting drink. When I feel a cold creeping in, maybe a scratchy throat or that sluggish feeling, I mix lemon juice with a spoonful of honey and warm water. It's a classic remedy that feels like a warm hug for my body, and it really helps keep symptoms at bay. This simple habit keeps my immune system on high alert, especially during flu season or when I'm stressed out from a busy week. Lemons make staying healthy feel so effortless, and I'm obsessed with how such a small fruit can deliver such a massive impact. Trust me, once you make this a part of your routine, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It's like having a natural shield that's always ready to protect you from whatever's going around. Benefit 2. Enhances digestion and detoxification. Lemons are a digestive dynamo, helping your gut work like a well-oiled machine and keeping things running smoothly. Their citric acid stimulates the production of digestive enzymes in bile, which break down fats and improve nutrient absorption, making it easier for your body to process meals efficiently and effectively. Despite their sharp, acidic taste, lemons have an alkalizing effect once metabolized in your body, helping to balance your pH levels and ease common issues like bloating, indigestion, or that heavy, sluggish feeling after a big meal. I swear by starting my day with a glass of warm lemon water, it's like a gentle wake-up call for my stomach, encouraging regular bowel movements and flushing out toxins to give my body a fresh, clean start. Lemons also contain pectin, a soluble fiber found in the peel, which supports healthy gut bacteria and promotes feelings of fullness, helping to curb those mid-morning snack cravings that can sneak up on you. After a heavy dinner, like maybe one too many helpings of pasta or a holiday feast, I sip lemon-infused water or add a splash of lemon juice to my tea to settle my stomach and feel lighter. For an extra detox boost, I sometimes mix in a pinch of grated ginger or a dash of turmeric. Both are anti-inflammatory and turn the drink into a health elixir that tastes amazing and feels like a treat. This routine is so simple, yet it leaves me feeling energized, refreshed, and ready to take on my day. Honestly, my gut has never been happier since I started this habit, and it's one of those small changes that delivers massive results. Lemons are like a daily reset button for your digestion, and I can't recommend this enough. It's a game changer for feeling your best. Benefit 3. Gives your skin a radiant, youthful glow. Lemons are like a natural spa day for your skin, and I'm absolutely obsessed with the radiant glow they bring. The vitamin C in lemons is crucial for collagen production, the protein that keeps your skin firm, elastic, and youthful, helping to repair damage and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time for that fresh-faced look we all want. Lemon's powerful antioxidants also combat free radicals, which cause premature aging from environmental stressors like UV rays, air pollution, or even the stress of a hectic day. I've tried a DIY face mask with a tablespoon of lemon juice mixed with a generous dollop of honey, apply it for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse off with warm water, and my skin feels incredibly soft, smooth, and radiant, like I just stepped out of a high-end spa. Lemon juice acts as a natural exfoliant, gently sloughing off dead skin cells and even lightening dark spots or hyperpigmentation due to its mild bleaching properties, which is perfect for evening out skin tone. Drinking lemon water daily keeps your skin hydrated from the inside out, which is essential for that plump, dewy complexion we all crave. One critical tip: always dilute lemon juice for topical use to avoid irritation, and steer clear of sun exposure after applying it, as it can make your skin photosensitive and prone to burning. I love how lemons offer a budget-friendly, natural way to elevate my skincare routine. It's like a facial without the hefty price tag. Adding lemons to your diet and skincare is such an easy way to look and feel your best, and the results are so noticeable that my mirror's been giving me compliments lately. Your skin will absolutely love this citrus boost. Benefit 4. Supports heart health. Lemons are a heart-healthy superstar, and I love how they make caring for my cardiovascular system so simple and delicious. The vitamin C in lemons helps prevent LDL, bad cholesterol, from oxidizing, which can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries and increase the risk of heart disease or stroke. A major win for long-term heart health. Lemons are also rich in potassium, a mineral that regulates blood pressure by counteracting sodium levels and relaxing blood vessels to improve circulation. Then there are flavonoids like hesperidin, which studies show can enhance blood flow and reduce the risk of cardiovascular issues, making lemons a triple threat for your heart. I squeeze fresh lemon juice over my salads or fish dishes. It's not only delicious, but also pairs perfectly with heart-healthy foods like salmon or walnuts, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Drinking lemon water throughout the day keeps me hydrated, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood volume and pressure, ensuring my heart doesn't have to work overtime. For a refreshing twist, I add a few fresh mint leaves to my lemon water. It's like a heart-healthy mocktail that I can't get enough of, and it makes staying hydrated feel like a treat. This habit is so easy to stick to, and it feels incredibly satisfying to know I'm supporting my heart with every sip. Lemons make prioritizing cardiovascular wellness feel effortless, and I'm all in for that kind of simple, effective health boost. It's a small change that feels like a big investment in my future. Benefit 5. Elevates mood and mental clarity. Lemons don't just brighten your meals, they brighten your mood too, and I'm all about that positive vibe. The fresh, citrusy scent of a lemon is like instant aromatherapy, acting as a natural stress reliever that can calm your mind and lift your spirits. I keep a cut lemon or some lemon peels on my desk sometimes, and just a quick whiff helps me feel more focused and less frazzled during a busy workday. Research suggests that citrus aromas can boost serotonin, a feel-good neurotransmitter that reduces anxiety and promotes a sense of calm and happiness. Drinking lemon water also keeps you hydrated, which is critical for brain function. Dehydration can leave you feeling foggy, irritable, or just off your game, and I've definitely been there after forgetting to drink enough water. The vitamin C in lemons supports the production of neurotransmitters that regulate mood, helping you stay sharp and energized throughout the day. I add a slice of lemon to my morning tea or water, and it's like a burst of sunshine that sets a positive tone for my day. This simple trick makes me feel more alert, focused, and ready to tackle my to-do list, whether it's work, errands, or just life in general. Lemons are proof that small changes can have a massive impact on your mental clarity and emotional well-being, and I love how they add a little joy to my routine. It's such an easy way to bring some brightness to your day, and I bet you'll feel the uplift too. Benefit 6. Natural cleaning powerhouse lemons aren't just for your body, they're a cleaning wizard, and I'm totally hooked on how they make my home sparkle. The citric acid in lemons has natural antibacterial and antiseptic properties, making it ideal for cutting through grease, tackling stubborn stains, and eliminating odors without the need for harsh chemicals. I use a simple mix of lemon juice and water to clean my cutting boards. It's super effective and leaves them smelling fresh, not like those chemical-laden sprays. You can create an all-purpose cleaner by combining equal parts lemon juice and water with a splash of white vinegar in a spray bottle. It works wonders on countertops, sinks, and even stainless steel appliances, leaving them shiny and streak-free. Lemon peels are my secret weapon. Toss a few into your garbage disposal to deodorize it, or soak them in vinegar for a couple of weeks to make a powerful, eco-friendly cleaning solution. Got a tough stain on your clothes like coffee or wine? I rub a mix of lemon juice and a pinch of salt on the spot before washing, and it's like magic for getting rid of stains. This eco-friendly approach saves money, reduces my use of toxic cleaners, and makes cleaning feel like less of a chore and more like a fresh, zesty ritual. My kitchen smells like a citrus grove after a cleaning session, and I love how satisfying it is to keep things natural. Lemons turn cleaning into a breeze, and I'm all about that sparkling, chemical-free shine. Benefit 7. Aids weight management. Lemons are a fantastic ally for maintaining a healthy weight, and I love how they fit seamlessly into a balanced lifestyle. The pectin fiber, especially in the lemon peel, promotes feelings of fullness, which helps curb those sneaky cravings that hit when you're bored or stressed. I've definitely been guilty of reaching for snacks when I don't need them. Drinking lemon water before meals keeps you hydrated, which can prevent overeating by ensuring you're not mistaking thirst for hunger. A trap I've fallen into more times than I'd like to admit. The citric acid in lemons also supports fat metabolism, helping your body process dietary fats more efficiently. I squeeze fresh lemon juice over grilled vegetables or lean proteins like chicken or fish for a burst of flavor without adding extra calories, making healthy meals taste amazing. Swapping sugary sodas or juices for lemon water is another easy win. It cuts out empty calories while keeping things refreshing and delicious. For a slight metabolism boost, I sometimes mix warm lemon water with a pinch of cayenne pepper. It's a zesty kick that wakes me up and feels energizing. While lemons aren't a magic weight loss solution, these small habits add up, making me feel lighter, more mindful, and in control of my choices. I love how lemons make healthy eating tastier and easier to stick to, and it's such a simple way to support your wellness goals without feeling deprived. Benefit 8. Freshens breath and supports oral health. Lemons are a total lifesaver for fresh breath, and I'm all about that confident, clean feeling. The citric acid in lemons stimulates saliva production, which naturally washes away bacteria that cause bad breath, especially after meals with bold flavors like garlic or onions. Been there, right? I sip lemon water after eating to keep my breath fresh and my mouth hydrated, which is especially handy when I'm out and about or heading into a meeting. Lemons also have antibacterial properties that can help reduce oral bacteria, supporting healthier gums and preventing issues like gingivitis. A quick rinse with diluted lemon juice works wonders, but you've got to dilute it to protect your tooth enamel, as lemon's acidity can be strong if used undiluted. One key tip: always rinse your mouth with plain water after using lemon juice to neutralize the acidity and keep your teeth safe. This little trick has saved me after many a garlicky meal, and I love how natural and effective it feels. It's such a simple way to feel confident in conversations or close-up moments, and lemons make oral care feel like a breeze. Benefit 9. Supports kidney health and prevents stones. Lemons are a kidney's best friend, helping to prevent painful issues like kidney stones. The citric acid in lemons increases citrate levels in your urine, which binds with calcium to stop crystals from forming into stones. A huge relief, as I've heard how excruciating those can be. Studies suggest that about 4 ounces of lemon juice daily, diluted in water, can significantly reduce the risk of stone formation. I make it a habit to add lemon juice to my water bottle and sip throughout the day. It's refreshing, keeps me hydrated, and supports my kidneys. Staying hydrated is critical for kidney health, and lemon water makes drinking enough water so much more enjoyable. This routine feels like such a proactive way to care for my body, and I love how something as simple as a lemon can make such a big difference in preventing potential issues. It's an easy, tasty way to keep your kidneys happy, and I'm all about that kind of low-effort, high-reward health hack. Benefit 10. Enhances iron absorption for energy. Lemons are a secret weapon for boosting your energy levels by helping your body absorb iron more effectively. The vitamin C in lemons enhances the absorption of non-heme iron, the type found in plant-based foods like spinach, lentils, or quinoa, which is especially important if you're vegetarian or prone to low iron levels, like I sometimes am after a busy stretch. Iron is essential for carrying oxygen in your blood, which keeps your energy steady and prevents that sluggish, tired feeling that can derail your day. I squeeze lemon juice over my salads or stir fries to maximize iron uptake. It's such an easy trick that adds a burst of flavor while making my meals work harder for my body. For example, pairing lemon with a spinach salad not only tastes amazing, but also ensures I'm getting more from the iron in those greens. This benefit helps me feel more energized and focused, especially on long, demanding days. I love how lemons turn a simple dish into a nutrient powerhouse with such little effort, and it's a small tweak that delivers big rewards for my overall vitality. Closing thoughts. Wow, what an incredible journey through the amazing world of lemons. These little fruits are true superstars, boosting your immune system, digestion, kidney health, and energy levels while giving your skin a radiant glow, supporting your heart, lifting your mood, freshening your breath, cleaning your home, and helping with weight management. I'm honestly blown away by how versatile lemons are. Just one fruit can do so much for your health, home, and well-being. I keep a stash of lemons in my kitchen at all times now, and they've become my go-to for everything from morning water to DIY cleaning hacks. Start small. Add lemon water to your mornings, drizzle juice on your meals, or try a lemon-based cleaner. These habits are simple, affordable, and make such a massive impact. Grab a lemon, get creative, and let this citrus gem bring some zest to your life. Thanks for joining me. Here's to brighter, healthier, and zestier days ahead with lemons.